I-welcome natin dito sa studio ang visionary behind Ako Naman Muna Movement, isang transformational coach si Russ Hoson. Good morning, sir.
Good morning and thank you for having us here. It's an honor privilege to really serve our kababayan dito sa Dubai.
So unang-una, sir, curious ako, nabasa ko to last week pa lang. Ano ba itong Ako Naman Muna Movement?
Ito yung movement na napanganak ko noong April last year because I travel a lot all over the world and isa lang yung nakita natin. Bawat Pinoy world class, napakahusay, pero bakit yung result natin hindi world class, pang third world? Bakit? It's simply because yung mindset natin bilang Pinoy is alipin, yung mindset natin bilang Pinoy is victim, puro drama. And therefore, sabi ko, one day, gusto ko sana Pilipinas first world country. Anong itsura nun? Walang mangingibang bayan kasi yung ekonomiya nasa Pilipinas. And the only way we can support that as a life coach is na intindihan ko yung proseso ng transformation. Sabi nga, when enough people think the same, 1% lang ng Pilipino na parehong pag-iisip, which means ang pag-iisip is yes, napanganak ako mahirap, pero hindi ako pwedeng mamatay ng mahirap. And that being said, from a victim mentality to a responsible mentality. So if everyone or 1% ng Pilipino is wala ng drama, take full responsibility, lahat ng Pilipino sa buong mundo magkakaroon ng ganon. And therefore, the best way is to really take this consciousness, re-engineering the way we think as Filipino, and then the entire country, the entire Filipino population will now start to think that way, and economy will rise up. The way we think is something we want to start with.
Oh, that's nice, And I know that you've mentioned that you started this last year. Yes, you said that. And obviously, ang hirap kasi tayo mga Pinoy, tama nga yung sinabi mo yung drama, yung parang tayo, naku, lagi ikawawa. Medyo, when it comes to changing this kind of mentality and perspective sa buhay, medyo mahirap ba? Or how do you see the difference from last year, sir? Nakita niyo ba na, uy, mukhang ang mga Pinoy ngayon, iba na rin mag-isip at mukhang marami ng sumusunod dito, or are they still stuck in
All
the
right.
same
So let's take a look at on generation.
Mhm.
No? The Gen Z, bukas na bukas, open na open, at excited nitong mga idea ko. But the generations after that, sabi ko nga, kahit pakuluan mo ng rice, ng pressure cooker ng 5 araw, hindi lalambot. Because bakit? We were all born that way, and a lot of us cannot even say. Like example, lahat tayo nagsabing puti yan. Right? Pero napanganak kang red yan. So magpapakamatay ka, red yan, kahit lahat ng evidence is talagang puti. So therefore, the mindset is something that we acquired growing up, and therefore ang hirap siyang palitan.
Yes, yes.
So the moment we start taking a look at the mass consciousness, anong ibig sabihin? When enough people think the same way, that every Filipino will now start to take full responsibility of life. Ibig sabihin yung success mo, hindi mo na iaasa sa magulang mo, sa kumpanya mo, or to a country. Sometimes we think, aasenso lang ako pag nasa abroad ako. Pero hindi Kahit saan ka itapon, kung successful ka talaga, successful ka, but it has to start with the way you think. So therefore, right now, it's more open. I'm just so blessed. I've been in this journey for like 14 years na. But the first 12 years, gapang talaga. No? Talagang wala. Good thing, no? My good friend here, who's like a brother to me, Boss Raymond, believed in my advocacy, and he showed me on how I can be out there in social media. God is good. Why? Nag-10x lahat ng work ko through my social media, through a brand accelerator. Now, hindi lang Gen Z yung tumatangkilik sa trabaho ko, hindi all generations na. So, laging punong-puno, no? Yung mga movement na ganito. Kasi bakit? Social media is the way to communicate what we want in as far as mission is concerned.
Oh, ang nakakatuwa niya na you also were able to adapt to the changing times. And yeah, you've mentioned nga na, wait, importante ang social media. So might as well, 'di ba, i-grab na rin natin yung opportunity para i-share din itong magandang mensahe nyo.
Yeah, kasi napapanood ako ni boss, sabi niya, ang ganda ng message mo, bakit hindi ka kilala? No? And then, here comes Boss Raymond, sabi niya, sige, tulungan kita. No? The moment he helped me, it was August 2023, right now, shoot up. No? From sobrang negative ang income namin to ako na lang yung laging naglalagay ng cash para lang ongoing ito. Pero right now, talagang lipad na lipad.
Oo.
Simply because of the social media that has been supporting by Boss Raymond here.
Alright, ito, talagang nangyari to sa mga OFWs. Ako, tama na ko. Isa sa mga goals pala ng isang OFW, sinasabi, punta akong abroad para makasave. Ang tanong ko lang, enough na ba to? Baka meron kayong gustong i-share para habang maaga pa, magbago or tuloy-tuloy kung ano sa tingin nyo.
Mag-save lang ang nasa utak nila.
Sige, ako kasi iba yung pananaw ko sa savings, okay, at retirement, no? Hindi ako naniniwala sa retirement because karamihan ng tao nagre-retire, the life is not the way they want it, nagiging na-bore, di ba? So para sa akin, I'd rather prepare a life right now in a way na yung buhay ko ngayon is my retirement life. So which means instead of saving, which is very good as well, but maybe I wanna build a life na yung buhay ko habang tumatanda ako, mas mataas yung value ko sa marketplace, mas marami akong knowledge, mas marami akong skills, mas marami akong leadership, so that relevant pa rin ako because that's how we want it to be. Because more than just money, okay? Because money can come and go.
Yeah.
Right? At the end of the day, yes, nakapag-ripon ka retirement fund mo, but inflation is there. Maybe, most important part here is you now start to build a life wherein yung value ko habang tumatagal, tumataas, and the marketplace, ako yung pupuntahan. And ano maganda doon? Pwede ka nang mamili. Hindi ka na pwedeng api-apihin. Right?
Yeah,
Bakit?
yeah, yeah.
Napakahusay mo eh. The bigger question here is, how do I prepare for this? Number one, do I have the necessary knowledge every day that's updated so that when I'm at work, all right, hindi ako pwedeng api-apihin kasi magaling ako. Right? Do I have the necessary skills that is updated? Again, AI is here. In-upgrade ko ba yung sarili ko? Yeah, I'm 54 right now, but you know, pag may contest about AI, pag may contest of robotics, alam na alam ko yan. Bakit? Every day I take time to, again, knowledge, but open ba ako sa brand new experiences? Because some people, ito yung ginawa nila, all the left they're here. But here's the thing, pag tinanggal sa kanila, saan sila pupulutin?
Yeah.
I mean, during the pandemic, ang dami kong nakausap, again, you know, flight attendant, purser, tapos nung walang flight, na-depress, suicidal na. Bakit? Yung kanilang success naka-attach doon sa trabaho nila. Do not make it, okay? But last but not the least is being able to now understand that at the end of the day, the only way you can actually create the life that you always want, the time freedom with the financial freedom, is to start looking on also having your own business. In a way na hindi ka tied up sa business kasi meron kang leadership. No? I mean, 6 days kami nandito. We have several businesses running. We're not even in the business, but our business is running. Because again, knowledge is very important, skills is very important, experience, but above all, leadership and business that will create that life that you want. So, ibig sabihin, if I am on this track, right now, I'm living a life that is my dream retirement life, which is, ano bang ibig sabihin sa retirement? I will only work because I want to,
Wow.
not because I have to.
Yeah.
So which is I can wake up when I want to wake up because why? I have created a life na dinesign ko to in a way, right? Tumanda ng tumanda, mas mataas yung value, parang wine, umaasim lalo. Why? Because I design it that way. Which means hindi ako pwedeng dumating ako dito ng waiter. Hindi. Dapat maging supervisor. Dapat maging everything is still ako. But the problem here is the reason why we cannot retire because it's all about them.
Yeah. Oh, that's how we are eh. Kasi din eh, as Filipinos din.
Yeah, but that must change until
Oo,
when?
tama,
I mean, seriously,
tama.
until when? I mean, ubus na, said na, okay pa rin. Bakit? Ang drama natin, welcome, abuse me.
Yeah.
And then, sasama ang loob mo, kasalanan mo rin, hindi mo tinuruan. You become an enabler for them to be disabled. Why? All their life, ikaw na lang ng ikaw. Paano naman sila? What if wala ka na? What will happen to them?
Tama. And I love when you mention something about, yun nga, a new perspective when it comes to retirement. That doesn't necessarily mean na, ay, wala na akong gagawin. It just means that you have the luxury now, the time na pwede kang either gawin itong mga bagay na gusto mo, but at the same time, hindi dapat yan a hindrance for you to keep on learning.
My
and
belief
to-
system is
yes.
refirement, which is you have to refire yourself every day. I just had a conversation with a very good friend kasama namin dito and sabi niya, Coach, nakuha ko na lahat. How come I'm right anxious right now? Sabi ko, siguro, nakalimutan yung pinaka-importante sa buhay natin, which is actually calling, mission and purpose. Nakita mo ba? Ako 3 a.m. gising na ako hanggang alas 11. Walang pakundangan. Oo, walang pakundangan, trabaho left and right. As if nagmamanigol ako. All of these are just giving. In fact, us being here, abonado pa. We're paid so much in the Philippines, but because we want to spread this to Filipino, this message na it's possible.
Yes.
Kasi pangarap naming dalawa, bawat Pilipino, masaya, mapayapa, masagana. Not multimillionaires, but at least yung buhay gumaganda araw-araw, month after month, year after year. But higit sa lahat, mapayapa, peace of mind. But the only way we can do that is to really start noticing that you are the source of all of this and start taking care of yourself, because why? If you don't, you will become a burden.
Okay, sir, nagpunta kayo dito. Gusto niyo i-share yung mga kaalaman sa ating mga kababayan. Marami nakinig sa atin ngayon. Paano naman sila, paano sila makapunta sa pupuntahan niyo ngayon?
Oo. Ang ganda, kukonect ako dun sa sinabi mo, no? At sa question mo kay Boss Raymond, na kahapon nga, I think 6 na very successful Filipino, from worker to right now business owner, na talagang sobrang galing, no? And ini-interview ni Boss, at na-observe ko lang, isa lang yung sagot nila na pare-pareho. Lakas ng loob. Now, kung gusto niyong marating kung ano yung ginagawa namin ngayon, kahit ano pang turo namin dito, kung wala kang lakas ng loob, useless yan. So which means, simulan natin muna. No? Again, this is not religion, but again, we have somebody up there. No? We call him God. That is the source of all blessing. Kailangan tiwala tayo. But the question here is, are we willing to allow ourselves to expand ourselves and grow? But how come, bakit ang tao madasalin, or maraming panalangin, or nagro-rosaryo araw-araw, pero lahat na naririnig mo sa kanya is fear, doubt, and worry? Opposite yun eh. Bakit? Again, unang-una, you don't have enough knowledge, which is you did not take time out. Kung ano natutunan mong grade 6 ka, yun pa rin alam mo, yung mundo nagbago na. Again, continue still to adapt new learning. No, ang problema sa atin, may bago kang sasabihin, i-reject mo kaagad kasi alam mo, pang 1978 pa. Right? That's something we want to start to go. Number 2, again, balik pa na ako sa experience. No? Sinubukan mo ba? Kasi, bago mo husgahan isang bagay, testingin mo muna. Most important part here is, again, being able to take a look at on the skills, but pinaka-importante is, meron ka bang community na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng bagong pananaw sa buhay. So again, at the end of the day, lahat ng ganap ng buhay natin is also, again, mindset, perception. How do we see the world? Do we see the world as an abundant world wherein lahat ng opportunity available? Or do we see the world as in scarcity, laging kulang, laging walang-wala? Either or, it's a choice that you make. But that will only happen kung na-expose ka sa isang community, maraming tao. Sa isang learning session na ganito, na may bago kang information na maaring magbabago yung pananaw mo sa mundo. So it has to start there. Ang tawag natin dyan, self-awareness. Alam mo sa iyong sarili na marami kang kapasidad, kaso lang kulang tayo sa knowledge, kulang tayo sa skills, kulang tayo sa experience.
Saan naman lang makuha yung mga experience niya or knowledge na i-offer niyo?
Okay, so marami available, no? YouTube, okay, ang daming learning dyan. Pero para sa akin, lahat ng information, 7% lang maximum capacity niyan. You have to experience the concept. And that's why nandito kami personally, kasi pwede namang online eh, pero iba pa rin yung nandoon ka, nakaupo ka, nakikinig ka. Because bakit? Yung words, language na sinabi ng speaker, papasok sa puso, papasok sa katawan, and you have interaction. Then lalabas ka ng one day, kahit isang araw lang, bigyan mo yung chance yung sarili mo na ma-experience yung concept, because ito ay gagaranti ko, lahat ng uma-attend ng mga workshop namin, kahit one day lang, automatic nagbabago yung buhay. At pre-practice yun, forever na gumaganda lalong buhay. Again, I'm not gonna say bukas ka agad multimillionaire, but somehow nasimulan. At kailangan i-practice until one day, yung buhay mo malayong-malayo na kung saan ka nagsimula.
And where can we actually get in touch with you, sir? In terms of probably social media, kung saan pwede din kayong ma-contact ng ating mga listeners. Maybe you can promote.
Meron akong Facebook page, no? It's Transformational Coach Ras, and lahat ng information nandoon, and active din po kaming sumasagot. Minsan ako mismo sumasagot. I receive mga 200 to 300 messages, 90% OFW. And sabi ko nga, I'll do what I can in my entire life to help them, but not give them information, kasi information available, but to let them experience the theories that we have, okay? And we will also give them something to work on as an application para maisabuhay yung mga natutunan. Doon talaga ang pagbabago. Hindi lang theories, but they have to experience a theory in a classroom setting, but we also give them an application on a day-to-day basis at doon nagbabago. And last April, I was here. I think 100 mahigit yung mata ng seminar namin. And nandito pa rin sila nagvo-volunteer kasi lahat ng natutunan nila talagang na-apply nila. And their life are getting better. Pinaka-first thing na naibigay namin, healing. Kasi you cannot get healed by just watching, listening. You get to have an experience of letting go of the baggages that we carry energetically. And the reason why maybe pag napanood yung mga video na meron kami, talagang yung puso mo talagang titibagin. Because in the end, yun ang pinaka-cause ng mga kabigatan sa buhay. Ang dami nating bit-bit. No? From a childhood to a teenager to an adult. And that's the first step. It's really letting go of our baggages. And yan yung pinaka nakita kong malaking difference sa ginagawa namin is the ability to support people, clearing their baggages, healing their heart. And when they do that, the excitement in life, the creativity will just follow.